For RDWW, I want to review what these letters mean before we get started. R, read the problem and understand what it is telling you and asking you. D, draw. You're going to draw a strategy showing your math work. First W, write a number sentence. Second W, write a statement. You're answering the question. Let's start with R, read. There were 10 cookies. Bear ate most of them. Now there are only 3. How many did Bear eat? So let's stop and think for a minute. What is the problem telling us? Well, it's telling us there were 10 cookies and Bear ate most of them. It's telling us there are only 3 left. What is the problem asking us? It's wanting to know how many did Bear eat, because we don't have that answer. That's unknown. So now you are going to draw using 5 groups. You're going to have your circles organized in rows of 5. When you have 10 cookies and they're in 5 groups, then it's going to look like a 10 frame in your mind. Now you are going to write the number sentence that shows how you solved it to get the answer of how many Bear ate. Your last W is to write a statement answering this question. How many did Bear eat? So a good sentence starter would be, Bear ate blank cookies. You're going to find that mystery number. Once you're done, make a video on Seesaw. I don't want to know the problem, and I don't want to just get your answer. Tell me how you solved the problem.